Hi and welcome. We're going to learn now how to control Pro Tools using Touch OSC and your iOS device. First step that you need to do is to make sure that both your iOS device and your Mac running Pro Tools are on the same Wi-Fi network. Second step is to launch the Touch OSC Bridge application, which you can download from here. Now I'm gonna launch my Touch OSC app on my iOS device. Make sure that all the connections are off and then select the MIDI bridge connection and turn it on. After doing so, you are going to see that your host where your MIDI bridge is running is available. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go back and I'm going to select my layout that I want to use to control DP. In this case, I picked a simple MIDI controller that I created. Now in Pro Tools, I need to make sure that under Setup and MIDI and Input Devices, my Touch OSC bridge is selected. And I click OK. Of course, this will work only on MIDI tracks because I'm sending MIDI messages. So on this MIDI track, I'm going to select my predefined input. I'm going to select Touch OSC MIDI bridge. And you'll see that when I move a controller, the track will receive the controller, but I won't see any changes, even if I send controller 7. But those changes will be actually recorded on the track. So if I start recording on this track, for example, and I'm going to start sending some controllers, these controllers will be recorded and playback, and I can even send triggers as MIDI notes. So if I open up this track, as you can see, my controllers were recorded and my notes were recorded too.